In 1997, something in the ocean made a sound so powerful. It was heard over 5,000 kilometers away, a sound louder than a nuclear explosion. But here's the terrifying part. Whatever made it was never found. And scientists still don't agree what it was. The year was 1997. The NOAA had underwater microphones, listening silently across the Pacific Ocean. These weren't ordinary microphones. They were designed to detect submarines, hidden in the deepest parts of the ocean. But instead of submarines, they heard something else. A strange, ultra-low frequency sound. They named it the Bloop. It didn't sound mechanical. It didn't sound geological. It sounded alive. The Bloop wasn't just strange. It was impossibly powerful. It was detected by multiple sensors, thousands of kilometers apart. Which meant one thing. It was unbelievably loud. Louder than any known marine animal. Even louder than the largest creature on Earth. The blue whale. And here's where it gets disturbing. The frequency pattern of the Bloop matched that of a living organism. Something biological. The internet exploded with theories. What if this wasn't just a sound? What if it was a creature, a massive unknown organism, living deep beneath the ocean, far below where humans have ever explored? Years later, scientists came forward with an explanation. They claimed the Bloop was not a creature. It was caused by an ice quake, a massive crack in Antarctic ice. When giant ice sheets break apart, they can produce extremely powerful sounds underwater. And according to researchers, the Bloop matched this pattern. Case closed? Not exactly. Many experts weren't convinced because the Bloop had a very specific sound signature. It rose in frequency, like a living call. It didn't behave like typical ice noises. And here's the biggest mystery. It was recorded only once. If it was ice, why didn't it repeat frequently? And even today, the deep ocean remains mostly unexplored. Over 80% of Earth's oceans are still unknown, meaning something could exist down there, and we would never know. The ocean is Earth's final frontier. Deeper than any mountain is tall, darker than space itself, and hiding secrets older than humanity. What if the Bloop wasn't a one-time event? What if it was just the only time we heard it? Something calling through the abyss, something too large to be seen, something waiting. The Bloop remains one of the most mysterious sounds ever recorded, officially explained, but never truly proven. And somewhere, deep beneath the ocean, the silence continues. Or maybe it's listening.